Good afternoon, beautiful souls. It's another fantastic day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. I was just thinking about rejoicing and how do we do that? Because rejoicing seems to be something that's hard to come by sometimes. And for me, before I got on to this video, I was listening to the drips coming down from way up above. Hearing the birds chirp. Seeing how still and peaceful everything is here. So I wanted to share this little bit of peace with you today. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, even if you're not, if you're happy and rejoicing, just a little peaceful part of the day, even on overcast skies. Nature is just doing what nature does in its element. And I was thinking about that, and when we're the most joyful, I think we're in our element. Whatever your gift is, whatever your thing is that you do best. And I love being in nature. That's one of the things that brings me peace. So, I'm in one of my elements. I wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a fantastic Sunday. God bless you.